I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully. It's quite hard, especially after such amazing words have been spoken by such amazing speakers and by people that I've considered my own teachers, by people I considered to be the students of when they speak. It's quite hard to speak in the same place, but I'm really thankful for this opportunity, especially Mr. Everyone here actually. The excellence, it's an amazing place, and I'm really thankful for this opportunity to be speaking here. Raja said, we have all the other people, all the other staff here, so thank you very, very much for this special opportunity. And all the people that are listening, thank you very much to be here. Before we begin, I'd like to say one thing. When there are such motivating words in a place, people often get very motivated towards their goals. They often get very interested, they often get very impressed, and they want to reach certain goals. But what happens is when they fail, when they aren't successful, they get disheartened. They get their heart broken. And what I'd like to say is, we should understand one thing. Even if you are sitting in this place right now, for whatever reason you are sitting here, you are blessed. This opportunity, not many people are having this opportunity at hand. And that makes you special. That makes you different. That makes sure that you can see that God, Allah Ta'ala, He has planned something special for you. And so we should be grateful for this. The greatest and most important thing in any successful person's journey is gratitude. If you don't have gratitude, any small setback, any small mistake, any failure will make you demotivated, will break your heart, and will make you lose motivation and faith in your work, in your success. The greatest example is our own Prophet. He was one of the most, I would say, he is currently one of the most loved person on the whole planet. And back then, imagine the things he went through. And yet, he showed no aggression towards anyone. He never lost faith. He said that these people that are throwing stones at me today, their children in the future will turn Muslims. And so he believed in his faith. He believed in his goal. He believed in his ideology, and it worked. Today, thousands to millions of non-Muslims are turning Muslims. Why? Because it's such a tremendous and it is such a beautiful religion. And the same goes for success. If you are anything but consistent, your heart will break and you will give up. And it is important for that simple reason that we show dedication. Instead of going for motivation, saying I'm not feeling motivated, I'm not feeling well, be dedicated. Treat it like a task, treat it like a job. Don't look for comfort. Because today it is hard, tomorrow it is hard, the day after tomorrow it is hard. But one day, inshallah, the day will come where you will be standing on a similar stage as today. And you will be looking back at those years spent doing hard work, spent being a nobody and working your way up from there. And you will be proud of yourself. As I stand here in front of you people, I was once just another kid. Sir Hamid, he is my teacher. He knows me well. He knows me from the time when nobody knew me. I was just this small. I was a little kid. But because I had a passion, I had dedication, and more than anything, I had a love for the art that I consider to be speaking. That allowed me to reach this stage today. And that allowed me to work internationally with native speakers, with people of many different backgrounds. I've lived for more than 3 years of my life in Islamabad. I recently shifted back to Peshawar. There, you'll see a whole different world. And where would I have reached, and how would I have reached that place if I had not started here in this small city of Peshawar? Same goes for everyone here. The potential, the capabilities that I have, every single child, every single youngster sitting here has the same capabilities and abilities and talents as myself. But the only thing that remains, the only thing that is necessary to reach my place is dedication, love, passion, and a obsession with your work, to the degree where you can label it as your lust for work, for your success, your desire to reach a position so high. And even if you reach success, it will not satisfy you. Never let satisfaction come, because if you feel satisfied, it will kill your hunger, it will kill your thirst. Never let satisfaction take over. Always stay hungry, always stay thirsty, and more than anything, always stay a learner. Because learning is something we do till we reach the grave. Never let your mind get narrow, closed up. Continue learning. Even as I stand here, many of you have knowledge that I don't have. And many of you have knowledge, and many of you don't have the knowledge that I have. And so we will continue on this journey of learning. Because we don't have much time here, it was a great pleasure talking, but I'll have to take my leave. Thank you so much everyone for your time, and great pleasure. Thank you so much for Sir Nadan, for Badshah, and all of the staff of the Excellence. It was a great pleasure, and thank you so much everyone for this opportunity. Thank you.